Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to find amount financed. So let's look at the question. The question states, find the amount financed on a laptop with a cash price of $630 and a down payment of $96. So let's imagine you went to the store and you wanted to buy a laptop. Price for the laptop at the time of purchase was $630. So instead of paying $630 at the time of purchase, you decided to make a down payment of $96. Hence, the remaining amount is the amount financed. So that is the amount on which you took out the loan to pay towards this laptop you purchased. In order to apply this formula, we're going to deduct cash price, which is $630, minus down payment, which is $96. So at the time of purchase, you paid a cash payment of $96, and the remaining amount is equal to $534. So this is the amount on which you decided to take the loan. So this is your amount financed.